What is going on, my Far More Money family? Hey, today, as promised, I'm going to go over the SoFi app and how I'm going to start with a brand new portfolio. Amidst everything kind of going on, I think it's kind of a unique situation, but hey, it's always fun starting from scratch and, let's see, how we can build this forward. So, SoFi app, I've got it here. I'm going to click it. So I'm signed in. It says member since January 2021. I just signed up as of a day ago. So 3-day streak going. All right, cool. I've got, let's see, where is it? I've got $1,000 here waiting to invest by tomorrow. It should clear. So yeah, so once your account is set up, we'll process your $1,000 deposit. So I'm going to start off with $1,000 deposit, and then basically, show you guys every single day how the portfolio is performing. The goal is going to be to get to 10,000 here shortly, and then from there we're going to aim to get to 100, and then obviously beyond, wherever it lands, we'll keep going, guys. So very exciting. Some of the items here, I'll just kind of go through with it. So it's a pretty neat interactive app. It lets you do, it's got different items such as, what's investing, what are stock bits, how do dividends work, should I use dividend reinvestment plans? So that's called DRIP. I would strongly recommend if any of you are downloading this app to take a look at some of the features that it has. Pretty unique. Also, you can build your own watch list. So here, view watch list. We're going to go all the way down. Here's my watch list right now. So one of the stocks that obviously I'm watching, it's going to be obviously Tesla. Post earnings, it took a little bath, but that also has to do with the fact that a lot of the hedge funds started selling their long positions on Tesla, Apple. Majority of the stock market saw a huge sell-off the last 2 days before market close on Friday because of the phenomenon going on with GameStop and a lot of the short squeezing of those certain stocks such as AMC, Nokia. It's not the entire reason to blame, but that did have an impact because a lot of these hedge funds decided to sell, some of these long positions and cover their asses basically on the back end. So, unique situation, but Tesla's going to be in my watch list. Apple, obviously, longtime winner, consistent, dividend payer. I will always hold Apple stock, guys. I mean, this is one of those that it's a no-brainer. They had their first $100 billion quarter. It might go to the moon at some point. So, IPOE, I know I made a video on this yesterday. I'm definitely holding this, and I will be Monday morning once the funds clear the $1,000. I will be making a definitive investment in this as well. So IPOE, which is owned by Chamath, he's taking SoFi public right through a SPAC merger deal. So that's going to be part of it. Then I also looked at this. This is actually kind of interesting. So SoFi has their own mutual funds, kind of unique. So this one has only been around for about a year, but as you can see, at its low point back in March 2020, when the COVID news hit and everything in the States, it went down all the way to $13.70. So this ETF has not been along for that long, and today it's sitting at 28.97. So it's literally, you could have doubled your money, close to 40% gains just in a year. Some of the holdings in this ETF, which I would strongly advise many of you to look at: Tesla, Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, Walt Disney, Delta, which could see a boom back after the vaccine rollout and how we progress through the variants out there. Nvidia, Shopify, Moderna, some great names in these in this ETF. And then also, here's the kicker, guys. So it also lets you see your highs, lows, 52-week highs, 52-week lows, and then also it gives you your dividend yield, which is 0.38%. So ETFs generally always pay a dividend. I would strongly recommend looking at this one. I'm not providing financial advice, but what I am saying is that if you're scared to invest in, any of these companies by themselves, you can put your money into an ETF and let it, ride along for you and just let it do its job. So overall, I'm going to be looking at IPOE on Monday. I'm going to open up a position in this when the $1,000, $1,000 worth of funds clear. I'm also going to be looking at, I know Dogecoin is in there. I'm looking at that as well, obviously. Jumia, that's another one that I'm going to be definitely taking a look at. So I'm adding that to my watch list. So those of you that know anything about Jumia, I made a video back when it was around $27, $28, and as you can see, it's absolutely just crushed it, and it's up to 57.55 in a year. It's made over $52 close to 900% gain, just absolutely on a tear. It's the Amazon of Africa. It's only in 14 countries out there and it's expanding. So, another one that I'm going to be definitely opening up a position in on Monday. Now, we'll go to another stock that I'm looking at to add to the portfolio that I'll be showcasing. So, NEO is another one that I'm going to hit on the watch list. I'm going to definitely get in on this as well on Monday, build this portfolio with those three stocks, and then we'll see where it goes from there. But very excited to share this with you. I'm going to show you guys an update every day, just so you guys can kind of see where I land. We're going to start with $1,000, work our way to, I'm not saying that it's going to be an overnight gain or growth of $10,000 right off the bat, but it will be substantial. It'll be here soon. Before you know it, you'll blink your eyes if you do follow this journey with me. You will get your gains from the market. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, please go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Tons of content continuously coming as we move forward. Thanks, guys.